Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we will make very tasty cookies in minutes once you try and no longer buy in the store. So let's get to cooking cookies. We will need oat flour, and if you do not have flour, you can take oat flakes. I take whole grain long cooking so the cookies will be more useful. Flakes you can grind in a blender, in a coffee grinder to the state of flour. But I had flour and I did not do it. In a bowl, break the egg and add sugar and mix thoroughly. You do not need to beat long. We need to sugar a little dissolved. Then to this mixture add dry products, flour, baking powder, and cinnamon. If you do not like cinnamon, you cannot add it. And the butter should be taken from the refrigerator. If you forgot, you can warm it up a little in the microwave, but not too much. Mix everything thoroughly until the dough is homogeneous. Here is such a dough I got. Literally in a few minutes the dough is ready. It is sticky and not to stick to your hands can be kept in the refrigerator so that the oil hardens. But you can dip your palms in ice water and the dough will not stick to your hands. Roll balls the size of walnuts, but since my baking sheet is not large, I will make the size a little larger. From the indicated amount of products, I got 11 cookies. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, as they will increase in size during baking. We send them to the oven preheated 180 degrees, mode top bottom without convection. 15 to 20 minutes. The cookies should be barely browned. It took me 19 minutes. If you take them out early, the cookies will be softer and crumbly. If you leave them longer, they will be more crispy. Transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely and enjoy. Oatmeal cookies are not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a source of energy and health benefits. RICH in fiber and natural ingredients. Oatmeal cookies are the perfect choice for health-conscious eaters. Look how beautiful, appetizing, and at the same time healthy, with a glass of milk is just perfect. I wish you good luck in the kitchen. Don't be afraid to experiment. See you in the new video.